What's up, everybody? Sean here with Empire Auto Spa, and today I have a special guest. This is my new friend, Demetrius Binder, and this dude's pretty fast.
Got some speed.
Got some speed. So he is a multiple-time medaling Olympic athlete. That is amazing. And he brought us the Bentley Mulsanne, aka Land Yacht. When you get an idea of this thing in person, it is huge. Yes. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna get those stock wheels and tires off of it, put some custom stuff on it, and get him right for the weekend. What made you decide you wanted to change those wheels?
Just look at them. The only thing that says Bentley is the center capsule, but the wheels is not.
They do not say Bentley.
No,
I got great news for you. I figured out exactly how I'm gonna get the center caps in your new wheels. So you're gonna be money, you're gonna look stock, but better. All right?
Oh man, and it's the holiday weekend. Labor Day, watch out.
We're gonna get you done in one day, all right? I know you're busy. Have a good one, man. Thank you again.
So much, man. Thank you.
So we are back with Demetrius's Land Yacht, and it looks good. We got the wheels on, the tires on, all in one day. Really filled it out. We've got some nice asymmetrical Toyos on it. We've got 22s all the way around, and it really widened the overall presence of the car as if it needed it, but it really filled it out. It really has a tanky feel to it. And Demetrius is trying to figure out whether or not we're gonna do some additional stuff to it. And it really leaves the palette wide open. So anything he decides he wants to do, he can. The chrome goes with the chrome. The gloss black looks fantastic with the two-tone. And really and truly, these wheels really accentuate and make the car. So he picked them. Great job, dude. They look great. For more information on what wheels might fit your automobile, or to leave us a comment, jump on the YouTube channel and let us know, or comment on the Facebook page. Once again, Empire Auto Spa, we're out.